Both teams played this morning. Ducks win the opening faceoff. Early whistle offside. Blues win that one. Mossy got a tip on that. Pops out. Icing. Next line is Nader, Harley, Huddy. Nate wins that one, hits the ref. Sweden chips it out. Huddy with a good hit. Nate chips that out, and that'll be icing. Blues change. Both get kicked out. Huddy goes in. Shot on net. Good breakout. Huddy with a big one. Huddy with the hit. Is that Huddy goes to the box? Oh boy. Huddy goes to the box. Huddy shakes his head, doesn't believe it. Good hit. Nate and Harley stay on to kill it. That penalty's 1 minute into the game. Nate wins that face-off McGurn. Nice play. Army gets tripped. No call. McGurn pokes at it. Coach saying go. Shot. Ooh. Puck comes out. Blues regroup. Coach saying stay up. Army on that. McGurn. Nate chips it out. Harley's there. Takes the puck away. Nate does a change. Harley's there, plays that into the zone softly. Zotti on. Centering pass, dangerous. Army rubs out here. Back door. No shots really yet so far. And that'll come out, and Zotti plays that out. Sweden with a centering pass. Wow, that was a nice play. Missed assignment maybe. Power play goal. 5-hole goal. That goal is at 14:09. Leiter playing some center here. spectating, as coach is saying. I can hear him. Loiter does not win it. Barry's there. Smitty plays it. Takes a bump. Barry makes a play. Pass Healy. Tries to go back to Healy. Melton breaks that up, but oh, Blues are off to the races again. Shot goes wide. Healy comes in with a hit. Loiter leaves it. Up to Healy. Lloyd plays it out. Chip off the boards. Player was behind. Lee lost the puck on a stick. Tomasi chips it to the point. McGurn puts it back in. It's a big boy. He's got some speed. Big bodies on the Blues side. Tomasi, look out. McGurn. Lee. Mossy plays the body. Huddy. Mossy to the point. Went under its Tweedy stick. No icing. We call that de-icing. Army plays it to Huddy. Shot goes on that. Full scale change. '67 Pearson with a full beard. Zadi wins that. Heavy team, very tough to move. Just a lot of. Melton gets taken down, but who gets the penalty? Melton goes to the box.
7 black, minor holding.
Holding. Looks like 7 has a full beard too. Blues back on the power play. That's at 11:07. Blues win it. Shot. Nobody tied up that person. Armstrong does the chip, and Azadi and Tamachi's off to the races. Oh, great save by the goalie. Short-handed. Great short-handed opportunity. Mossy moving. And get in there. Yes. Mossy with an amazing forecheck. Amazing. Creates a goal. Well, the Zadi creates the goal, but that was all created by Mossy. Talmachi. Great goal. A lot of scouts here watching that. That was a great goal. Shorthanded. Still got 131 left to kill. Callie wins that. Army takes the red line and dumps. Callie's there. Big team. Just big team. This is the biggest team we've played all year. McGurn. Nate gets it out. All right. Icing gets us a change. Gets us a rest. 57 seconds left. Zadi wins that clean, but Blues are there quickly. Still 50 seconds. One timer. Oh, heavy shot. That was a heavy shot. Looked like it hit Kavetsky in the face mask. Zadi wins that clean. Tweeden pins it. Kills some time. 35 on the clock left. Backside. That was a good shot by the Blues. Good save by Kavetsky. 22 left. Zadi again wins that clean. Army's there. Tweeden up the boards. Looks like Smitty out. Smitty gets it out. No icing. Zadi on the forecheck. Nice interception there by Army, puts it in. Battling, shot. Really good opportunity there created by Barry. Loiter, looking for somebody, goes to the point. Army, shot, on net. I thought that Dallas team today was better than these guys, but I think we play better against the bigger, heavier teams, like Buffalo. Similar team. Loiter takes the face off. Blues get it out. Smitty stepped up, stopped that. Armstrong over to Healy on the boards. Healy. Nope, couldn't quite get it. Smitty. Back to Healy. Healy chips it out. Rhodes chips it back in. Offside or what? Penalty. Chase talking to the ref. 3 penalties to the Ducks. Lloyd goes to the box. What's the call? Two for rough. So third power play. Shots 4 to 5. Still got 4 shots. We've had 3 power plays. There's 8 minutes left in the first. Loiter does not like it. Nader on to take this. Nate does not want it. Steps out. Coach asking Putty to push up. Oh, that was dangerous. Good shot by 2. Buddy with a hit. McGurn steps in with a pinch. What do we got? 2 on white. Are we even now? All right, so we're full. Minor holding. Holding on McGurn there in the corner. Blues win that. 4 on 4. Oh, good look there by McGurn. Had Mossy breaking. McGurn up, tried to hit Pizzati again. McGurn reverses it. Melton's there. Melton chips it up. Pizzati. Back to Meltz. Meltz has Tamachi. Drops it to him. Shot. All 5 hole. Looking for 5. 2 behind. 2 in front of the net. Melton there. Pizzati now playing some D. Tamachi on a nice back check. Pizzati on the back check too. And Mossy has dead legs now. He needs to get off. Callahan stretches back to Blues play that. Good patience there by Melton. Good pass. A little sauce to try to hit Harley on the backhand. Couldn't handle it. This guy's got some speed. Julian steps up nicely. Callie plays nice little play to Harley. He's got a lot of ice. With Lee. Blues play that out. Almost got it out. Blues get it out. Smitty's there. Smitty to Lee. Lee shot on net. Bouncing puck. Callie is there though. Lee back to Callie down low. Looking for somebody. Centers that to Harley. Almost another one. Like the game this morning. Shot. Oh, that's another. There we go. We're getting another penalty here. 5:35 left in the first. Blues will go back to the box like captain. Too rough. He's got a full beard. A little late, he says. Referee's a little more active in this game than the previous game. Callie, Harley, Mossy. First power play to the Ducks. Pizzati. Tweedy. Back to Pizzati. Puck comes out. Oh, stayed in actually. Nice play by Callie. But now it's out. Icing. Both teams played this morning. The Blues played Buffalo. I don't remember what the score is. And we played Dallas. Not the greatest of games. Callie wins that. Ooh, he's ahead of Pizzati. Uh-oh, careful. Good play to get that back. Sweden. Offside. PP2 on. And we got a minute 18 left. Nader wins that. Gurn steps in. Dumps it. Oh, that was on net. Look at the offensive zone face-off. wins that one. McGurn. Down with the loiter. McGurn. Melts. Shot. Good shot. Hit the goalie. And doesn't get it out. Melt. McGurn again. Loiter. Goal. McGurn loiter. Power play goal for the boys. Good to see. Good dirty goal by Loiter. Power play. Great shot by McGurn. Just puts that low blocker, low side. Sorry, I put the wrong score up. It's not the Blues, it's the Ducks. Sorry, folks. Very little center time. St. Louis gets it in. It's a shot. Barry hits him playing some center. McGurn there takes him down. Nice job by Barry. Barry. Puck goes right to him. Patiently grabs it, and Melton has it. Chips it out. Healy gets rubbed out. That's offside. Nope. Not anymore. Lee. Oh, wow, McGurn. Ooh, that's dangerous. Yeah. Yeah, from behind. Maybe not. No penalty. Ooh, okay, good. 3:28 left in the first. Blues get that in. Gretzky plays it. Harley takes one, eats it. Puck comes out. Callion wins that clean. Tried to chip it out, was Armstrong. Shot goes over the net. Saved, but Gretzky put it over the net. Harley. Little chip. Blues get that. Zadi on it. Blues fan on it. Zadi's there. Has Callie with him. Oh, great idea. Centers it. Gotta get back. There we got. Blues put that in. Stretch up to Callie. Callie centers that. Oh, had Huddy for a moment. Good energy by the Ducks. Oh, Huddy was just off. Good energy by the Ducks. Real good energy tonight. There's a new combo. First time Nate on the ice with Mossy in a while. Nate, Mossy playing some center, Nate on wing. Okay, I like this. Blues get that in after winning the faceoff. Nate chips that out. Or sorry, Mossy chipped that out. Nate, nice poke. Good forecheck. One of you though. Oh boy, careful. It's 22, 23. Centers that. Poked away. Mossy with some speed. Chips it in the zone. Buddy. Coach asked him to stay up. Offside. Oh, interference. Interference on Tomachi. I didn't see it. Did not see it. Well, that's the 4th power play. Didn't see it, Mossy. McGurn up to Callie. 4th power play goes to the Blues. Callie takes him down. Damn it, that's going to be another one. He went down pretty easy, though. Callie goes to the box. 56 seconds left in the period. 5 on 3 for a minute 30. Fifth penalty to the Ducks. Zadi wins that. McGurn, good strong play. Goes to the point. Let's see what happens here. Oh, careful. Don't commit like that. A little overcommitted there on the point. Blues get another power play goal. Tomachi comes out. He goes right on the ice. We're 5 on 4 now. Still in the power play for Harley. Wow, nice play by Mossy to keep that in. Real nice play. Almost put that on net, but blocked. Harley pokes it. This two's a good player for St. Louis. Assistant captain. Lansky. Now, Ducks do a late change. Nobody, let's see if they kick anybody out. Referee discussion. Harley does not win it. I didn't see that come out either. I liked how that other defenseman was talking to the other defenseman on St. Louis. Like, coming on you. Yeah, I thought that was really good. You got to do that more. Blues win that one. That's offside. Kill some clock. 1:10 left on the power play for the Blues. This is going to end up being a long game. All these calls. Mossy tie up. Comes away with it. Tweedy chips that out. Mossy. End of the period. That's a. Even though we took the most penalties, I thought that was a really good period for us, despite the penalties. Playing hard. That's the key. I'm going to stay on, not break up the videos, make it easier to upload. Check, check. Check, check. It's a great facility here in Detroit. I think we're in Taylor, city of Taylor, Michigan. 2 rinks, 2 indoor soccer fields. Good common area. Hub and spoke building. It's kind of cool. I like it. Very comfortable for everyone. Home of the Bell Tire, it looks like their home rink. I'm also curious I like how all the Michigan hockey teams have sponsors. Tim Hortons, Bell Tire, Car Shield, a lot of them. I'm curious to how much money they give to these clubs and how much they reduce their dues by. Nate on with Huddy. 104 left. Nate pushes that forward. Blue skated in. Good hard play by McGurn down in the corner. 3 on, careful. Nate. Good containment here by the Ducks. Just keep it to the outside. 10 seconds left. Huddy will not chip that out. Shot, but Kavetsky will put that right in his breadbasket. Callie's still in the box. He will come out in 5 seconds. Mossy. Callie's out. Goes to the bench. Shot. Barry's there. Nice play by Julian to read that. Julian gets it deep. Mossy with a little bump. Loiter, nice play. Oh, creates this. Mossy goes, the slot gets taken down. Loiter's there. Loiter to the point. Tweeden, time, shot, glove. Good shift there, boys. Good forecheck there by Lloyd. Zadi, Lee, Healy. Cleans that clean. Zadi. Smitty winds up. Hits somebody in front. Nice back check there by Zadi. Battle along the boards. St. Louis comes away with it. Oh, careful on the backside. Nice play with Ryan. Oh, boy. Ducks come out with some speed. Zadi to Healy. Good opportunity. Zadi with some time. Smitty puts it on net. Oh, Lee tipped that back to the point. Good shift, boys. Shot. Lee almost tipped that one. Lee back down low to Healy. Nice play, Lee, to fend that off. Smitty gets it deep. Smitty will go off. Callie comes on. McGurn comes on. Healy to McGurn. Puck comes out and bouncing puck. Healy, good play to, didn't quite get it deep enough. Blues come with some speed. 22's fast, big boy. Shot into traffic. McGurn with a bump. Harley with it. Chips, nice little play to Tomasi. Good play to the Blues. Harley, McGurn. McGurn fanned on the dump. Harley on the back check. Nice play by Harley. Good back check. Melts, just chips it out and it squirts out. Shot. McGurn with the bump. McGurn, hook, got hooked. Ducks will go on the power play. PP2 comes on. Got Nate Lloyd Huddy again. Nate wins that clean. Smitty. Shot. Traffic. Get a player in front. Nate plays that. Smitty. Good forecheck of it. Blocked by Nate. Smitty. Oh, this guy's a pest. Jesus. Wow. Change that. That was not good. Glad we had 2D on that power play unit. Sweden. Sweden. 107 left. Good kill here by the Blues. A lot of pressure. Sweden. Mossy. Good back check by 2. And darn it, they're going to come out again with it. Good play by Callie. Sweden skates it in. Leaves it for Harley, but just tons of pressure up high by the Blues. We can't get anything. 27 seconds. Get the puck deep, boys. Just get it deep and go get it. Sweden. Zero shots from either unit. We didn't even have any zone time, really. Huddy to Nate. Lost it there. Nice back check there by Izadi. Good stick by Huddy. Somebody lost a glove. Looks like a Blues glove. Ooh. Cut the ice. cut the ice. I didn't see it. 2 minutes until we cut the ice. Medical staff comes out. Good, he gets up. Looks like a knee. That doesn't look good. Ooh, he looks like he's in pain. Two minutes left till we cut the ice. White gets kicked out. Nate does not win it. Good forecheck there by Huddy. Nate. Oh, shoot. Offside. Riser in the house. Nader. Oh, he wins that. Armstrong. To Huddy. Nader battling. Nader gets it in. Let's go. Come on, Loiter. Huddy with a big bump. Smitty. Up to Huddy. Huddy gets it in. Nader turns him. Good forecheck, boys. Tamashi. That'll be icing now. Wyndham. Down the street, like 8 minutes away.
Okay.
So it was the Holiday Inn. Now they changed the sign, and now it's a Wyndham.
They changed the flags.
It's much more elegant.
Air conditioning in your room. Yeah, and yeah. Come to MGM, it's great. That's where
Yeah?
I'm staying.
How's your game going?
We're getting killed.
Are you? We played. What's this?
CVB, I know, but they're fast.
They are fast.
Slow.
You're down 5 players though.
I'll catch you.
Yeah, I'll come over in about 2 minutes. McGurn. Centering pass to Callie. It was not, couldn't connect on it. Puck comes out. Are we going to cut the ice? Soon. This is a long period. Callie, I'll take it. Good back check there by Tomasi. Just speed. Speed kills. That's a good forecheck by the Blues to turn him. Mossy. Callie gets it in. That's a good pass. Gurn back checked. That'll take a penalty. Chase saying it gets stick didn't touch it. That would be the 6th penalty. McGurn goes to the box again. But that was a worthy penalty. And we're going to cut the ice. Okay. See you in a few.